In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add channels to your YouTube channel. So let's get started. So let's say you have a friend or a brother you want to support, so by giving them subscribers so that you can advertise their channel on your YouTube channel. So let's say I have a friend and I want to put his channel on my channel so he can get views and subscribers. So there's a way to add his channel so it pops up right here. So then people can click on it and visit his channel and see it as well. So for that, you need to click on your profile. You need to click on YouTube Studio here. So once you have clicked on that, you'll have to wait for the page to load. Alright, so once that is done, you're gonna head over to customization. Here you're gonna go down and on under the feature section, you're gonna click add section. You're gonna click on featured channels and then you're gonna give a title. So let's say subscribe, please subscribe to my brother. Let's say you have a friend, you can write friend. So in my case, I'm gonna write brother. Alright, then you can give the channel name. So this is my brother's channel, and then I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna click done. So once that is done, I'm gonna publish. So now it's published successfully, and I'm gonna open YouTube. I'm gonna go over to my channel and I'm gonna show you the changes. So YouTube, your channel. Now if I scroll down, you guys can see 4 tags. Please subscribe to my brother. And if I go over to channels, you can it's just gonna come here after some time because I just changed right there. Otherwise, you can see it's here. And if you go to channels, it will pop up here in a bit. So you can just keep on refreshing and it's gonna pop up here in some time. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.